Welcome to my channel Educational Engine. In today's video, we will discuss about the types and the forms of signaling. So, we have two types of signaling. The first one is intercellular signaling and the second one is intracellular signaling. When the communication occurs between the cells, then it will be intercellular signaling. But when the communication occurs within the cell, then it will be intracellular signaling. Now it's time to discuss about the cells involved in signaling. The first one is the signaling cell and the second one is the target cell. Signaling cell is the cell which will release the signaling molecule, or the target cell is the cell which will receive the signaling molecule via receptor. Now it's time to discuss the forms of signaling. The main difference between the categories of signaling is the distance that the signal travels to reach the target cell. We have different forms of the signaling: autocrine, paracrine, endocrine and direct signaling. Autocrine signaling. Auto means self. When the cell responds to its own signaling molecule. So, this is the autocrine signaling in which the cell targets itself. The next one is the paracrine signaling. It is a signaling in which a cell signals a nearby cells. Chemical signals are released by the signaling cell and received by the target cells having receptor for it. Next is the endocrine signaling. Endocrine signaling is a signal in which a cell targets a distant cell through bloodstream. In this, chemical signal released by a signaling cell then move towards the bloodstream to reach to the target cell having receptors for it. The last one is the direct signaling, in which a cell targets a neighboring cell through gap junction. For example, plasmodesmata in plants, a connection between plasma membrane of neighboring cell. These water-filled channels allow small molecules to enter, like calcium, but inhibit the larger molecules like DNA, RNA, etc. The specificity of the channel ensures that the cell remains independent but can quickly and easily transmit signals. Direct signaling allows group of cells to coordinate their response to a signal that only one of them may have received. In plants, the plasmodesmata are ubiquitous. What does it mean? That they can make entire plant into a giant communication network.